Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at the euro currency. Well, situation on the euro currency is really thrilling right now, but not quite in the short-term setup, not on the daily chart, of course, but in understanding of what really going on and what really could happen within the current year and the next year. Today, guys, we bring very interesting analysis in our forum and the weekly thread. We suggest you to read it because it's really it clarifies a lot of interesting things, what really we could expect on the behavior in the euro currency in the long-term perspective. This is the fundamental part of the analysis, and it's not really very large. It's very short, but it has a lot of pictures, so it's quite easily to understand. And it brings two major thoughts. This analysis is made by the Phantom Consulting, so we like researchers from this authority. So it suggests that Fed should raise rates only once in the current year, and that leads us to the thing that currently price and markets hasn't quite priced out the perspective of reducing of the rate hiking. So currently market mostly priced out 2 times rate hike. But Phantom Consulting tells that based on the current situation, it seems that Fed will raise rates only once. And the major disappointment should come in June when we will not see any raise from the Fed. Also in June we will get the Brexit voting, so this will be a really tough month. But for us, it means that euro currency has not bad chances to continue move higher. This is the first point from the fundamental analysis. The approximate target of this possible action stands around 124. Since, guys, if this was reaction on the price out of the first rate hiking, I mean, here market expects that we will get 4 times possible rate hiking. Here we already expect 2 times. It's approximately 10 points from 104 to the 114 area. So it means that if we exclude another rate hiking, then probably this should lead us to the 120, 125 even. So potential of this upward action is very strong. And what is more interesting, it's what's attractive for us, is that market hasn't quite understand it totally. So market is not quite prepared for that. And once gradually the market participants, of course, will start to understand this, euro will continue action to the upside. The major impact should happen in June if this analysis will be confirmed, and we will really will not get any rate increase from the Fed. Second part of the long-term analysis mostly stands in relation to 2017 year, and it suggests that real strength of the United States economy will happen in 2017. And that will lead euro back to the downward trend, since inflation should increase significantly. That lead to the more aggressive rate hike from the Fed. This also will be important and unexpected for the market, because here we will get some kind of trying to catch the euro on opposite course. So since they have just continued to move higher on the dovish comments from the Fed, and that Fed will not raise rate within the year, but suddenly in the 2017 market start to show, economy will start to show the strong strength, and that will catch the euro on the wrong course and start to press in the market, and the reversal could be really dramatic. That should push euro lower, and long-term bearish trend on the euro currency could be reestablished. This is, in 2 words, long-term expectation. That's why, as you can see, it's really very interesting. So I suggest you to read this part. That will let you just better understand what our foundation for our analysis, the core of our analysis. In the short-term perspective, in very short term, guys, on the next week, what we expect. We mostly stand in relation to the daily chart, and we continue to work with our ABCD pattern. So that was really dramatic action. We have discussed this many times already. Currently, we're mostly interested with this part. So, as you can see, last week market has hit this target. I mean, it's taken out of this top. This target has been hit even earlier. So AB equals CD leg has been completed right here in February. This market has increased this top and turned to some sideways consolidation. This is not typical for the bearish market. So usually when the market trying to show the wash and rinse and taking out of this top and then has intention to drop lower, it usually happens. But if market taking out of this top but stands flat after that, it means that it is preparing for breakout. It's building the power. Also take a look at these long tails on these candles. So market is trying to move lower below these lows, but something stopped it. So that has happened within the whole week. So all these candles stands with the long tails to the downside. But every time market returns right back up, right above this top. So as you can see, this stands, all closes approximately stands above this top. It's interesting. On Thursday we said that if market will not be able to break through this area and hold about it will drop lower, then we should not expect the further upward continuation in the nearest future. And that has happened because as market has dropped below 1370 area, so on Thursday, indeed we haven't got the continuation immediately to the upside. But take a look, the situation on Friday has changed and market has formed a bullish grabber. This bullish grabber suggests taking out of this top at minimum, but hardly market will stop just at the minimum target, because currently the major level to watch for on the euro currency is 1580-16 area. This is very important from the weekly point of view. So if we'll take a look at the weekly chart, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Here's markets will reach the neckline of the big double bottom pattern. This will be next major destination on the euro currency. That will be, as you can see, completion point of this A, B, C, bottom D points, ultimate 1618 extension. That will be monthly pivot resistance one. That will be daily average BOD. And this also 127 extension of this previously we treated as the butterfly, but I have just erased the wings. So you could see that just an extension of this most recent retracement. Anyway, that brings the resistance. For instance, 1550 here, it's also destination point. Also, take a look that market stands above the big monthly pivot point, and it stands on the halfway to the weekly monthly pivot resistance one. So it's also bullish. So currently, guys, market forms a lot of bullish signs. The major ones are the consolidation above the top and appearing of the grabber. This is the major points. This is typical behavior for the market that is preparing breakout to the upside. So that's why, guys, I think that next week we will see the upward continuation on the euro currency. At the same time, here on this upward action, market should not show any deep retracements, because deep retracement already has happened here. So the reaction on the ABCD, the AB equals CD patterns, major retracement has happened. Right now, market stands on the upward extension stage. So in the extension stage of the market. That's why it could show some minor bounces, but it should not happen. It should not be too deep. So that's why I can't say that we will get the nice chance for entry, since market will show some deep retracement here. Probably the only chance for entry we will have until market will stand inside of this range. Hardly it will show some deeper action. So market stands right now inside this range, and probably we should get the upward breakout. What else we could say? On the 4-hour time frame chart, we're mostly interested with this sideways consolidation. This has been formed recently. So you can see that pivot points envelops this range. So it's a weekly pivot point on the next week, pivot support one, pivot resistance one. This pivot resistance one stands very close to the upper border of this range. And if market will break it up, this will be another bullish confirmation. Since market will move above the weekly pivot resistance one, it will tell us that this is not just a retracement. It will tell us that this is the continuation of the bull trend. This is very important. Finally, take a look at our ABCD pattern. So market already has hit 100% extension, but what has happened? Minor bounce down, right? So we have discussed this moment. Recall our trend line here. We said the market will drop below it. We will not get the upward continuation in any time soon. So till the end of the week. So as you can see, this really has happened. Market grabbed this top, drop lower, has reached even 1320 area, and then stands to coil below this trend line. But on Friday, we see this reversal up, and that tells us that situation is gradually changing. So this portion risk have been worked out. So now market is stands in consolidation, and it's really preparing for a breakout. So here is another important moment. Take a look at this. Our ABCD market has hit 100% extension. But think right now about the daily grabber. If grabber will work, what does it mean? It means that price returned back above the 100% extension. It will mean that this is not some kind of the reversal. This is just will be the continuation. Because if market has hit the 100%, it should either show the reversal, or if it still continues to move up, that it means that market is ready to continue action to the next target. That's why this working of this grabber will have the double impact. So if market will return back inside above this top, it will not stop here because it already has hit this target. If it will return back, it doesn't mean that it just returned back to retest it. It means that it will be the continuation. That's why the importance of this grabber stands not just with the minor target, but with this pattern itself, since this this pattern could become the driving factor for upward continuation. So that's been said, on the next week, guys, we think that market really could continue to move higher. So proximal destination point will be somewhere around 116 area. So this is 115.80, probably 116.50, somewhere in this area. So a lot of different target stands in this range, as you can see. Also, on the way up here, we do not expect that market will show some significant drop or some significant retracement. Probably it will remain inside of this range. And if it will start upward action, it probably will start it right from this range. So this is our view currently on the euro currency. Also pay attention that here we have some signs of the bullish dynamic pressure. Because take a look, market has shift trend bearish here, but price action is not. It stands mostly flat. That it means that market, not a sign, not bullish sign that points on the possible upward breakout.